2 mic testing, 1 2 mic testing, mic testing 1 2. We are back. We are back like we never went. Sasa amtaki wewe utaki kunisikiza, mnanifungia account, mnafanya nini? I'm back. Vunjeni hizo simu zenyu, vunjeni hizo ma-TV zenyu, vunjeni hizo, msinunue bundles. And if you don't buy, you will have to watch me through your wife. You will have to watch me through your grandmother. You will have to watch me through your friend. You will have to watch me through your husband. You will have to watch me through your kids. You will have to watch me. The political prophet is back. Yes. Back. Like I never went. Bwana, you cannot blow the spirit in me. The message must be communicated. The message must get to the people. We must educate the people. The people must know what is going on. Hello, are you listening? Are you getting me? Are you getting what I'm saying? Now today, Leo, today, there was a poll that was done, a very independent poll, by the one Muthoni wa Kirumba, Baby Top. Baby Top is not just an ordinary presenter, that he's an influencer, a baby from Mlima. Now, alikuwa nafanya poll ya Mount Kenya Kingship. Akauliza ni nani, watu wanadhani ni nani, King of Mount Kenya region. Akaeka Uhuru Kenyatta, akaeka Ndindi Nyoro, akaeka Kindiki, na akaeka nani, Rigiji, the sheriff himself. Now, out of 119 votes, 1,019 votes and 152. 2,920 walivotia nani Soprano. 2,000 out of 119,000 walivotia Soprano. Hana hata hawajatosha watoto wa secondary moja huko kwao. That was 2% of the total votes. 7%, which is 8,564, wakavote Ndindi Nyoro. And 26,513 wakavote Uhuru Kenyatta, which is 22% of the total votes. And 68% of the votes, which is 81,155, voted for Rigiji. Now, I know there are many forces in this country, not only in Mount Kenya, but in this country, that are in denial that Rigathi Gachagua is the new sheriff of politics in Mount Kenya, whether you like it or not. Now, listen to me. Listen here. Not that we hate Uhuru Kenyatta. Na huyo ni mtoto wetu na hatumchukii. Lakini, saa hizi, the people want to be directed. They want to hear. They want political directions from the one and only one, Rigathi Gachagua. Na huyo ndio watu wameamini. Now we are not getting from there. Sisi hatuendi ati wapi, even if you create which divisions. And this is my message as Maina Wachipo. This is my message to our son Uhuru Kenyatta. We love you. We love you. But listen to the people. Listen to our people. Listen to our people are suffering from business, from whatever. And now they have decided that Rigathi Gachagua is the one who is to take the mantle of kingship in the mountain. And that one, we are not going to argue about it. For now, kwa saa hii watu wamekubali, wamesema, wanataka kuongozwa na the one Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua is the new sheriff in Mount Kenya region. And not only the Mount Kenya region, like the whole opposition in the whole country, the opposition, the whole country is being led by the one and is being held. Rigathi Gachagua is the pillar of opposition in this country, whether you like it or not. So, hizo maneno mengi mnasema tumpatie. Let us give the chance. Tuone mahali atatupeleka. Tunataka kuona mahali atatupeleka this time. And this one, we are not going to argue with anybody. Atutaki ama nini. We are trusting the one, Rigathi Gachagua, and we must support him fully. Hata akuwe tribal. We want that hiyo tribal yenye anafanya. Kama tribal ni kuunganisha Wakamba, kuunganisha Waluya, kuunganisha Wamasai, kuunganisha, we want that tribal Rigathi Gachagua. Tunataka hiyo tribal. Hatutaki kusikia the king of the mountain is the one and the only Rigathi Gachagua. The pillar of the opposition is the one and the only Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua. Full stop.